Welcome to Grossmont Union High School District's online professional development for organizing content in Schoology. This online course will walk you through a variety of methods and examples to structure and design your Schoology course material for the purpose of maximizing a student's productive interaction with Schoology course content. We will establish an understanding of the idea of productive interaction as it pertains to the student learning experience and focus on three core elements that teachers can manipulate in Schoology to support productive interaction: course structure, course design, and course visibility. Teachers will apply their new learning by analyzing one of their own Schoology courses through the lens of these three elements. This online course consists of 5 lessons. 4 are required, and 1 is optional. When you click a lesson, you will see that the lesson content is organized into the Engage, Explore, Apply, and sometimes Reflect structure. Engage will get you thinking about the lesson topic by having you participate in a discussion thread. Each Explore section consists of a series of instructional videos that pertain to each lesson topic. The Apply and Reflect sections will ask you to demonstrate your learning by reflecting and applying the knowledge you have learned in the respective Explore section. More specifically, Lesson 0 is the course introduction and will help you understand the idea of productive interaction. Lessons 1, 2, and 3 each focus on a particular element that can impact productive interaction. In this case, structure, design, and visibility. Lesson 4 is our optional lesson. This is the same lesson that appeared in our Schoology 100 online course. It is included here because it relates to how teachers can organize content in Schoology. Feel free to either skip this lesson or review how you can save, store, and share Schoology course material with the Resources tool. And finally, Lesson 5 will provide you an opportunity to reflect on your overall learning experience and plan your next steps for use in the classroom by completing the end-of-course evaluation. Finally, please take note of the following items. Do not hesitate to reach out to guhsdtech@guhsd.net for help if you are having problems. All lessons must be completed within the PD session window. There is no partial credit for this course. And lastly, once all lessons are completed, including the end-of-course evaluation, and the PD session window ends, completion of work will be verified by GUHSD Tech, and you will be sent a timesheet for your hours. Please see the course syllabus for hours earned for this course.